Understanding with bitter irony in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore an interesting phrase in English, with bitter irony. This phrase adds a unique flavor to language, often seen in literature, speeches, and everyday conversation. Understanding it will not only enrich your English vocabulary but also enhance your comprehension of certain expressions. Let's dive in. With bitter irony refers to a situation or statement where the irony is sharp, painful, or harsh. Irony, by itself, means a contrast between expectations and reality. When it's described as bitter, it implies that this contrast is not just surprising but also has a sting to it, often highlighting a sad, cruel, or bitterly humorous aspect. To understand, with bitter irony, better, let's look at some examples. 1. Literature. In a novel, a character might achieve their dream job, only to find out they no longer have the passion they once had. This situation can be described with bitter irony. 2. Everyday life. If someone works hard to avoid a problem but their actions directly cause that problem, this twist can be explained with bitter irony. Using with bitter irony in your own speech. Emphasize contradiction. Use it when you want to highlight a contradiction that is particularly harsh or unfortunate. Express sarcasm or cynicism. Sometimes, it's used to convey a sense of sarcasm or cynicism about a situation. Remember, the context is key. The phrase should fit the mood and message of what you're trying to convey. I hope this explanation helps you understand and use the phrase, with bitter irony, in your English conversations and writings. Remember, language is not just about words, but the emotions and contexts they convey. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.